Good morning, students. In previous class, I explained main center of protest. Now today, I am starting a new topic, that is leadership of the protest. Presently, the protesting troop captured Delhi. Leadership of Delhi was in the hands of Bahadur Shah Jafar, but the litigation was conducted by this troop leader Bhagat Khan. Begum Hasrat Mahal of Awadh in Lucknow, Tatya Tope in Kanpur, Rani Lakshmibai in Jhansi, Kuwar Singh in Bihar were the other leaders of the places who were conducting protest. In Chhattisgarh, Hanuman Singh and Veer Narayan Singh were protesters against Britishers. The protest was devastating. Common people took active participation in this protest. In the protest, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi was killed while fighting the Britishers. Now we will discuss main important topic, that is the revolt in Chhattisgarh. In Raipur district, Sona Khan is a place near Baroda Bazar. Veer Narayan Singh was the Jamindar. He was popular due to his social welfare for the people. In 1856, severe famine and drought took place in Sona Khan. In 1856, severe famine and drought took place in Sona Khan. People died due to starvation. To save people life, he distributed grains among the people, which was stored by a businessman in his godown. The trader complained against Veer Narayan Singh to the British rulers, so he was arrested and imprisoned in Raipur cell, that is jail. In 1857, he absconded for the jail. He organized a troop of 500 farmers, and on 1st December 1857 they fought against English. British sought the help of Devri Jamindar, who was the neighboring Jamindar of Sona Khan, and with his help Veer Narayan Singh was arrested, and after that he was hanged at the public place in Raipur. Thus, this great patriot became the martyr of independence revolution in the country. On 18th January 1858, an English soldier named Sidwell was assassinated by Hanuman Singh Rajput, and Raipur revolution of independence continued. Hanuman Singh Rajput 17 supporters were arrested for their effort. The trial continued for 2 days against the arrested people. They were hanged on 22nd January for national vigilance at a public place in front of soldiers and common people. Hanuman Singh was also known as Mangal Pandey of Chhattisgarh. All castes and religions took part in this revolt. This proves his superiority of national feeling. Now we discuss about unsuccessful revolution. The revolt of 1857 was spread over many parts of India, but the English rule could not be stopped. There was lack of centralization of leadership among the revolutionists. At all time, most of the educated class, mainly the king, did not join the mutiny. But this revolution was an inspiration for the Indians. It gave Indian people the feeling of nationality and consciousness toward their motherland, and also it shocked the English rulers. This revolution has shown that the Indians were not satisfied with the British rule. People felt that their country is not secure in the hands of company rulers. Undoubted, this was a patriotic but unorganized revolution which had a British worried. Due to this, nationality developed in Indian politics. Now we come to our last topic, that is 1858 Act of Indian Government. In order to calm down the agitation, India's Queen of England, Queen Victoria, on 1st November 1858 declared an act in which the rule of the company in India was ended and direct rule of the British Parliament was declared. a policy on non-interference in the religious and social aspects of India's was passed. Conservation of ancient heritage and values were as- assured. This act was this act by Queen Victoria was very important. The post of Governor General was merged and Viceroy was appointed. Okay, students, today I have completed this chapter. Be safe, be healthy. Goodbye. Thank you so much.